Salut, bonjour. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Tama. Today, we're going to study the adjective. Aujourd'hui, nous allons étudier les adjectifs. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. So, come on over and we'll get right into it. Okay, so here we are. We have a few adjectives and a few exercises to look at. Sympa, marrant, énervant, sportif, sportive. Sportive would be the masculine. Sportive is the feminine. Okay. Patient, patiente. Timide, bavard, bavarde. Mignon, mignonne. Impatient, impatiente. Intelligent, intelligente. Ennuyeux, ennuyeuse. Rigolo, rigolote. Sérieux, sérieuse. Paresseux, paresseuse, méchant, méchante, and amusant, amusant. So the next thing we want to do is we want to put these adjectives in alphabetical order, which that's pretty easy to do. So I'm going to do the first four. And the first one, obviously, would be amusant. Amusant, amusante. Okay, I'm just going to put the first word. And then the next one in alphabetical order would be bavard. Okay. And then the next one would be, we have two starting with E. Énervant and ennuyeux. So énervant would be the next word. And then we have ennuyeux or ennuyeuse. Ennuyeuse. Okay. So next we want to know how to say these words in English. Okay. So I'm going to help you with that. Don't worry. And what I'm going to do is put the word up here in red. So sympa means friendly in English. Friendly. If I can spell. Okay. And then we have patient, which means patient. Impatient, impatient, which is the same word. Then we have sérieux means serious, to be serious. Then we have marrant, marrant means funny. Timid means timid or shy. And next we have intelligent, which means intelligent, same thing. Then we have paresseux. Paresseux means lazy, to be lazy. Then we have énervant, means annoying. Bavard means talkative. Okay. And then ennuyeux, ennuyeuse means to be bored or boring. So I'll just put both of them in here, bored or boring. And try to put this in red. And then méchant means mean. It means to be mean-spirited. Okay. Next we have sportif, means athletic. Mignon means cute. He's cute, she's cute. There we go. And then rigolo, rigolote means funny, but in this case, it means comical, like in a comedian type of way, comical. Or you're laughing a lot. Amusant means to be funny or playful. Okay, so there we have it. So let's go over our adjective. Sympa means friendly. Patient means patient. Impatient, impatient. Sérieux, sérieuse, to be serious. Marrant, funny. Timide means timide or shy. Intelligent, intelligente means intelligent. Paresseux ou paresseuse means lazy. Énervant means annoying. Bavard ou bavarde, talkative. Ennuyeux, ennuyeuse means boring or bored. Méchant, méchante means mean. Sportif, sportive means to be athletic. Mignon or mignonne means cute. Rigolo, rigolote means funny in a comical way. Amusant, playful, or funny. Next, how would you say these adjectives in English? We already covered that, so there you have it in red. And then next, we're going to go over this 8 sentences, and we need to find the corresponding adjective to describe it. Elle parle beaucoup. So parle beaucoup, she talks a lot. So talkative would be the equivalent of this adjective. So talkative. Bavarde. Elle est bavarde. Bavarde. And because elle, she is feminine, bavarde has an E at the end. Okay. Il ne travaille pas au collège. He is not doing his homework. So he is being lazy. Il est paresseux. Okay. Paresseux. And il is singular, it's masculine. So the first paresseux would apply to the adjective for this pronoun. Next, we have elle n'est pas très patiente. She is impatient. So impatiente would be the adjective. Impatiente. Il est fort en maths, sciences et français. He is good at math, science, and French. So if he is good, it means that he is intelligent, intelligent. So intelligent. We go here. Next, we have elle aime jouer au tennis. She loves playing tennis. So the adjective to correspond playing tennis would be sportive. She's athletic. Elle est sportive. And sportive would be in the feminine. Sportive. Elle n'est pas très intéressante. She is not very interesting or interested or playful is what that is alluding to. And so the corresponding adjective would be she is bored. Elle n'est pas très intéressante, which means elle est ennuyeuse. She is bored. So ennuyeuse. Ennuyeuse would be the correct adjective. And then the last one, il est très content. He is very happy. Il est très content. He is funny, playful, amusing. So amusant would be our next adjective. Okay. So we have sportive, bavarde, paresseux, impatiente, intelligent, sportive, ennuyeuse, and amusant. And then our last sentence here, we have describe one of your teachers. Use the description below to help you. My French teacher is Madame Brown. She's friendly, intelligent, funny, and athletic. So we want to write this in French. My French teacher is Madame Brown. Mon professeur de français, Madame Brown, is my Madame Brown. Est mon professeur de français. Madame Brown est mon professeur de français. She's friendly. Elle est sympa. Intelligent, intelligente. Funny, marrante. And athletic, et sportive. Madame Brown est mon professeur de français. Elle est sympa, intelligente, marrante, et sportive. Okay, so this concludes our adjectives for today. I hope you enjoy. Please feel free to comment, and I will see you in my next video. À bientôt. Bye.